Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Get creative with wall putty craft pots. Welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to make your own wall putty pots. So let's get started. Please take any plastic jar, plastic can and wall putty tub. Make 2 circular eye for owl's eye. After this, we make feet of owl. These pots are very affordable and very low cost. Then we make nose of owl. So sharp owl nose. So we make sharp nose of owl. After that, we make eyebrow of owl. I will show you how to get creative with your wall putty craft pot for painting and decorative tools and adding plants. The possibilities are endless. So gather your materials and make with me. After that, we take 2 thick circle of wall putty duck and paste into the circle of eye. You take any picture of owl and according the picture you give all detailing of wall putty duck.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So this is final look. Now we color it. Don't use very runny color because you see this color is spread out over.